I am showing a presentation on a subgraph and isomorphism in a discrete mathematics. A subgraph S of a graph G is a graph whose set of vertices and a set of edges are all subset of G. Since a many set is a subset of itself, every graph is a subset of itself. All the edges and vertices of a G might not be present in S, but if a vertices is present in 6, it has a corresponding vertices in S will also connected the corresponding vertices in G. Let's take an example to understand this concept. Here in above figure, all these graphs are subgraph of the first graph. That is a figure 1. A vertex induced subgraph is one that consists of sum of the vertices of the original graph and all of the edges that convert them in original. The second two figures are vertex induced of first figure. An edge-induced subgraph consists of sum of the edges of the original graph and the vertices at their endpoint. Here, the second two figures are edge-induced subgraph of the first figure, and also the second is a subgraph of the first figure, but it is neither edge-induced nor vertex-induced. Isomorphism. Must we have same number of vertex, same number of edge, degree of corresponding vertex same, circuit of any fixed length must be same edge connectivity. G1 congruent G2 then. Mod of V of G1 equal to mod of V of G2. Here, mod of E of G1 equal to mod of E of G2. Now G1 congruent G2 if and only if G1 minus congruent G2 minus, where G1 and G2 are simple graph. G1 congruent G2 if the adjacency matrices of G1 and G2 are same. G1 congruent G2 if and only if the corresponding subgraph of G1 and G2 are isomorphic. If is isomorphic because all conditions satisfied. It is not isomorphism because W has a degree 3 and other vertex has a 2 degree.